Hello guys, this scooter is model E10 Pro. We have some customer complain about it's not easy to fold. And here I teach you how to fold it. First, you need to hold here and your finger here. Pull up to unlock the scooter. Pull up and pull. It will be like this, then you can fold it. Very easy. Okay, let me show you again. If you want to lock it, do like this. We do here, the lock will be closed. Let me show you again. You push up first, and then you pull. This is the right way. Now I will show you again how to fold it. Push up, and then use this finger to pull like this. Okay, and lock it. Okay, when you fold like this, here is a hook like this. Okay, must be like this. Then you can hold. If you want to push back, move like this. Okay, you see when you pull up, you can see it's locked, it's unlocked. Pull up, then you pull like this. This is the right way, but some users don't pull up, just do like this. If they do like this too much, it will damage. They will damage here. But that's okay. If you damage this, you can change a new one. Just use a screwdriver to remove the two screws here. We can send you a new part. Just replace it. You can use again.